Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and healthy. It is your science class, and we have started the first chapter of science, that is plant nutrition in plants. And in our previous video, we have discussed about the various mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the nutrition in plant process, that is by which process plant get their food. Plant are able to form their food. So the name of the process is photosynthesis. So the name of the process is photosynthesis. So let's see what is written here. Plants, as discussed above, and autotrophs. So plants are called autotrophs because plants are able to make their food itself. So that's why plants are called autotrophs, and the mode of nutrition which is occurred inside a plant body is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. So now the question is arise here, where in plant body where the food is prepared and what are the raw material which is present, which is required for the process of photosynthesis. So let's see, food is prepared or synthesized only by those plants which are green in color. You must remember that majority of plants are green due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in leaves and also in young green stem. Okay, so the main reason behind the plant to produce food is the presence of chlorophyll, and the color of chlorophyll is green, and due to presence of chlorophyll in plant, the plant looks like green color. Okay, and now the chlorophyll is mostly in most plant, chlorophyll is present in leaves. For some plant, chlorophyll is also present green young stem. Okay, the process by which green plant prepare own food is called photosynthesis. So by which process plant are able to make their food, this name of this process is photosynthesis. Okay, during this process plant absorb the sun's energy through their leaves and convert it into food energy using raw material from the atmosphere and soil. So for in the system, in the process of photosynthesis, plant absorbs solar energy, and this solar energy is converted into chemical energy and food energy, and lastly it is converted into starch. That is, which type of food is produced in plant? The type of food which is produced in plant body is mostly starch or carbohydrate. Okay, so now we will talk about the raw material which is required for photosynthesis. So there are four raw material, that is chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. So let's see one by one. At first, chlorophyll. It is the green pigment present in the leaves of plant. So where chlorophyll is present? In the leaves. In the green leaves, they are present chlorophyll. Sunlight. It is absorbed by the chlorophyll present in the leaves. So by who absorb the sun energy, who absorb the solar energy? So by the help of chlorophyll, solar energy is absorbed by the leaves, by the plant. Then carbon dioxide. It is absorbed from the atmosphere by the leaves through the small pores present on the lower surface of the leaves. Its pores is called stomata. So throughout the surface of leaf, there are present number of small pores. These pores are called stomata. Okay, these pores, the name of these pores are stomata. So by the help of stomata, the leaves are able, that is the plants are able to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And lastly, water. It is taken up from the soil by the roots and transported leads to the pipe-like structure called vessel. They are present throughout the plant body. So water are mainly absorbed by the root of the plant, which is beneath the soil. And this water absorbed by the root are reached to every part of the plant, that is leaf of the plant where is the photosynthesis processes occur, by the pipeline. Okay, the name of this pipeline is xylem. Okay, so the name of the pipeline is xylem. So by xylem, the water which is absorbed by root is reached to the leaf. Okay, the chlorophyll containing cell of leaves In the presence of sunlight, use carbon dioxide and water, prepared food. The food prepared is a form of carbohydrate, that is sugar. This sugar ultimately gets converted into starch. So at first, which type of food is prepared in plant body? The name of the type of food is called carbohydrate. Okay, that is sugar, glucose. So mainly glucose sugar is produced in plant body, and after that this glucose is converted into starch and deposited in various part of the plant. So here the equation of the photosynthesis: 6 CO2, CO2 means carbon dioxide, plus 6 H2O, H2O means water, sunlight and chlorophyll, C6H12O6. This is the formula of carbohydrate or glucose, okay, plus 6O2. So from this reaction we have seen that in the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is evolved. Okay, so the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. From the above equation, you can see that there is an interesting byproduct of photosynthesis, that is oxygen. This gas is essential for survival or for all living organisms. So we have seen from this equation that the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, which is needed for our respiration of all the animal. So if the plant are cut it, then the number of photosynthesis processes abruptly decreases and the production of oxygen also hampered. Then the survival of all animal can be in danger. Okay.